we'll guide you through how to understand Claude usage limits. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Claude website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll see an overview of your account activities. Look for the section labeled Usage or Account Limits. This area provides you with a detailed breakdown of your current usage and the limits associated with your account plan. It's important to note the different types of usage limits you might encounter, such as the number of requests per month or the data usage cap. If you're unsure about what each limit means, hover over the question mark icons next to each metric for a brief explanation. To manage your usage, make sure to regularly check this section to avoid exceeding your limits, which can lead to additional charges or reduced service. If you notice you're consistently hitting your limits, you might want to consider upgrading your plan. You can usually find upgrade options in the Account Settings or Plan section on your dashboard. Here, you'll see the different plans available, each offering varying levels of usage limits. Select the plan that best fits your needs and follow the prompts to upgrade. It's also a good practice to review any email notifications from Claude, as they might alert you when you're nearing your usage limits. This proactive approach helps you manage your account more effectively and ensures you have uninterrupted access to Claude's services. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.